Hi guys, welcome to another video on Stepable Lives, and this video will talk to you about how to create a resume in 2021, and this would be someone who is a beginner and is looking for a job. Please watch the playlist in the description box that we have for interviews as well as resume building. Step by step you will learn how to focus upon each point on the resume. Let's quickly get on to the agenda for today, that what are the things that you will need to make the resume, and बहुत ही आसान और सिंपल तरीके से हिंदी और इंग्लिश में स्विच करते हुए I will take you through to all steps. Video may be long or maybe you have parts. Try to accommodate. Watch it whenever you have the time. Let's get started. First things on the board, talking about what is needed in a resume. Let's try to focus upon the few key topics that are very important. First and foremost, we'll try to pick the right resume and format and layout. A lot of people are struggling for that. Where can I find a resume and a format? We'll give you very much best tips. You have to go on to Novo Resume. That's the best place to get free resume formats and layouts. We'll give the link in the description. We'll also tell you how to do it. What are the things that you should mention in personal information and contact information? Resume summary, objective, what should be written, we'll give you all information on that. Talking about list your experiences and achievements, how to list them experience, how to list your achievements so that they appear more and more attractive to the user. Let's quickly move on to your soft and hard skills, and we'll look at additional sections. How can you tailor your job for each job application? This is very much important, considering customization of resume is the most important thing. And then once your resume is ready, we will need a cover letter that will go along with that resume, and both the things will be proofread, and finally you will step the job in. If you're new to the channel, subscribe with the bell icon, like this video and comment your thoughts. Let's begin with the resume format and the layout. What's needed, what's not needed. This blog that you see on the screen behind is by the Novo Resume career blog. I would recommend you check it out. I'll give you the link in the description as well. Go through it. They are doing an excellent job. This is not a sponsored video, but they are doing a job that can help anybody make a resume. Experienced, freshers, everybody. Also check out the link in the description. Let's move on. The next thing that I have for you is that what should be the overall content and layout of your resume. Let's quickly just scroll through one example resume. Where could you have the contact information? Right hand side top corner. This format and layout can easily be available free on Novo Resume. You could add a summary somewhere here. You could see there could be a summary that you could add about your job title as well as objective. Let's look at your work experiences. You could list them down one by one on this side. Add your skills that are necessary. Include some of the sections that are additional languages, certificates and acknowledgement. Very important, we'll proof the resume. Important information again so that we don't go wrong, and then we'll quickly move on to what kind of formats that are needed. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. We'll try to address what's recommended, what's not the best way to go ahead. Let's quickly take you through to the formats and sequences that you will follow. Next important thing is to select the right template and an important builder or a structure in which you just put your information, you get different layouts. Novo Resume is a great tool. I will recommend you go to them, check it out. It's very simple form. We'll tell you how to fill it and make it very easy for you. Let's go on. Let's quickly look at a conventional resume on your screen and a Novo Resume that is visible to you right now. You could clearly see the amount of information that has been cramped in with good layout and more visible appearance. You can also see this resume does not arise so much interest, even though it may have very good skills. But just look at this. Do you really think that something of that sort you will be able to get through in a resume, in a job interview? Just imagine what's appealing to you. Just think about it. Let's quickly go on to the next part that I want to explain in this video, is that how you can select a resume format. If you're new to the channel, subscribe it. We'll take that up in the second video because we have a video playlist. Each video is made small so that you understand the concepts and move on to the next one. Thank you so much and Bye bye.